Did you know that the prostate is the only organ in the human body that keeps growing throughout life? That's right, the prostate is a small gland that is part of the male reproductive system, and it can grow from the size of a walnut when you're young to the size of a lemon or even bigger as men get older. This can cause a lot of problems, such as difficulty urinating, frequent urination, weak stream, incomplete emptying of the bladder, and even sexual dysfunction. This condition is called benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH, and it affects about half of men over 50 and up to 90% of men over 80. But what if I told you that there is a special drink that can actually shrink your enlarged prostate and improve your symptoms according to studies? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, in this video, we will reveal the best drink you can take to shrink your prostate and improve its health naturally. We will also explain how it works, how to prepare it, and how much exactly to drink. But that's not all. We will also share with you other special foods and tips that can help you shrink your prostate even more and prevent it from growing back. You'll be amazed by how much improvement you will see just by implementing what we will mention in this video. So without further ado, let's get started by why exactly your prostate enlarges as you get older. The prostate is a small gland that is located below the bladder and around the tube that carries urine out of the body. It makes some of the fluid that helps the sperm swim and survive. The prostate is usually about the size of a walnut, but it can grow bigger as men get older. This is called enlarged prostate, or BPH, which stands for benign prostatic hyperplasia. It is not cancer, but it can also cause some problems. One of the most common symptoms of enlarged prostate is having trouble with peeing. You may feel like you have to go more often, especially at night, or you may have a hard time starting or stopping the flow. You may also notice that your pee stream is weak or interrupted, or that you dribble after you finish. Sometimes you may feel like you still have to go even after you empty your bladder. These symptoms can be annoying and frustrating, and they can affect your sleep quality and your daily activities. Another symptom of enlarged prostate is having pain or discomfort in your lower belly, your groin, or your back. This may happen because your bladder is not able to empty completely, and it gets stretched or irritated. You may also have pain or burning when you pee, or you may see blood in your pee. These symptoms can be signs of an infection or inflammation in your urinary tract, which can be serious if not treated. So, why does the prostate grow bigger? Well, according to research, it has something to do with the hormones that men have. Your prostate is composed of two types of cells: epithelial cells and stromal cells. Epithelial cells line the ducts and glands that produce the fluid that helps the sperm swim and survive, while stromal cells provide support and structure to the prostate tissue. Both types of cells are influenced by hormones, especially androgens, which are male sex hormones. Androgens, such as testosterone and dihydrotestosterone, bind to and activate the androgen receptor, which is a protein that is present in both epithelial and stromal cells. The androgen receptor then stimulates the expression of specific genes that cause prostate cells to grow and divide. DHT is much more stronger than testosterone in activating the androgen receptor, and it is actually produced from testosterone by an enzyme called 5-alpha reductase, which is also present in prostate cells. As men get older, their testosterone levels decrease, but their estrogen levels do not. Estrogen is the main female hormone, which is also present in small amounts in men. Estrogen can increase the activity of 5-alpha reductase, leading to more DHT production. The more DHT there is, the bigger the prostate gets over time. However, hormones are not the only thing that affects prostate growth. Other things, such as inflammation, growth factors, and genes, may also play a role in making the prostate bigger. For example, inflammation may cause the release of molecules that make the prostate cells grow faster and produce more growth factors. Growth factors are substances that tell the cells what to do, such as grow, divide, or change. Some genes also can make the prostate more sensitive to hormones, inflammation, or growth factors, or they may affect how the prostate cells respond to them. So that's how the prostate grows at the first place. Now let's get to the drink that can actually shrink it and improve your symptoms, which is citrus lemon peel. Citrus peels are the outer layer of the skin of citrus fruits, such as oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits. They are often discarded or used for flavoring, but they have some amazing benefits for prostate health. One of the main benefits of citrus peels is that they contain a lot of D-limonene, which is a compound that gives them their characteristic smell and taste. According to studies, D-limonene has been shown to inhibit an enzyme called aromatase, which converts testosterone into estrogen in the prostate. Like how we explained, estrogen can stimulate prostate growth, so by blocking aromatase, D-limonene can help prevent or reduce prostate enlargement. Another benefit of citrus peels is that they contain citric acid, which is a natural acid that can help balance the pH levels in the body. Some studies suggest that having a slightly alkaline environment can be beneficial for prostate health, as it can prevent the growth of harmful bacteria and fungi. A high-acid diet, on the other hand, can increase the risk of prostate enlargement and cancer, as it can create inflammation and irritation in the prostate tissue. So how can you enjoy the benefits of citrus peels? Well, making the drink is very easy and quick. Wash 1 full lemon and cut it into 4 pieces. You can remove the seeds if you want, but don't peel the lemon. Now put the lemon pieces in a blender and add some water. You can adjust the amount of water according to your preference, but a good ratio is 1 cup of water for 1 lemon. Blend the lemon and water until you get a smooth and frothy mixture and pour the drink into a glass and enjoy. You can add some honey or stevia to sweeten it if you like. You can also add some ice cubes to make it more refreshing. You should drink this drink once a day, preferably in the morning, for at least a month to see the results. However, don't drink too much of it, as it can cause some side effects, such as stomach upset, heartburn, or tooth erosion. Another way to get these benefits is to grate or zest the peels of citrus fruits and add them to your salads, smoothies, desserts, or teas. This will give you a burst of flavor and nutrients. You can also buy supplements that contain D-limonene or citrus peel extract, but make sure to consult your doctor before taking them. Do you know what are the worst foods you must avoid with an enlarged prostate? Watch this video next to find out. Now let's get to the foods that are also very effective in shrinking the prostate according to studies. Number 1. Zinc. Zinc is a mineral that is very important for prostate health. It helps regulate the production and activity of hormones such as testosterone and DHT, which affect prostate growth. Zinc may also have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that protect the prostate from damage. Some foods that are high in zinc include oysters, pumpkin seeds, shellfish, legumes, and dark chocolate. Number 2. Lycopene. Lycopene is a pigment that gives some fruits and vegetables their red color. It is a powerful antioxidant that may help prevent oxidative stress and DNA damage in the prostate cells. It can also inhibit the growth of prostate cells and reduce the levels of PSA, which is a marker of prostate inflammation and cancer. Some foods that are high in lycopene include tomatoes, watermelon, apricots, pink grapefruit, and papaya. Number 3. Beta-sitosterol. Beta-sitosterol is a plant sterol that can help improve urinary symptoms of BPH by relaxing the muscles around the bladder and the prostate. It may also block the conversion of testosterone into DHT and reduce the inflammation and swelling of the prostate. Some foods that contain beta-sitosterol include avocados, nuts, seeds, and soybeans. Number 4. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are healthy fats that reduce inflammation and improve blood flow in the body. They can also regulate the expression of genes that are involved in prostate growth and function. Some foods that are rich in omega-3 fatty acids include oily fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds. So these were some of the best ways to shrink enlarged prostate according to studies. However, remember that these foods and drinks are not a substitute for medical treatment, and you should talk with your doctor before making any changes to your diet or taking any supplements for your prostate health. Now we want to hear from you. Did you try this drink before? Did you experience some of these benefits? Share with us your experiences and opinions in the comments below. We love to hear them. Thanks for watching.